Thank you so much for joining us here at the campus. So before we deep dive into it, if you could tell us a bit to us and the viewers a bit about yourself, who you are and what you do.
My name is Jitashri, and currently I'm working at EY in assurance, and I am also a ACCA. Those are like whoever do not know, it's Association of Certified Chartered Accountant. That is UK based CA basically.
Great. So now that you're here, 1 year down the line, from a career perspective, what would you be really doing? What do you want to?
So I am into assurance, right? So we mostly look into historic cost or like historic things that has already been done. So I'm mostly looking for something where I can put my values or whatever I have learned by far, like in finance, that I can use in product or like more in business decisions or like strategy. That was why.
Wonderful. And what are a few, if you could tell us 2 things about the program that really attracted you here?
So I feel this is very practical based program where I would be more like practically involved in projects.
So the learning by
Learning by doing it, or like practically understanding the business, or like interacting with like how we had product management manager today. So interacting with people like them who has seen so much of the industry.
people from the cohort, the peer network.
Also, like I feel like it's very diverse.
Right.
So there's so many things to learn, and like even in the tea break, I am getting so much like insights and so many things. Like it's very informative as well. Like every conversation
Right.
is so much informative.
Very, very glad that this is the kind of experience that you had today. Last thing before we leave is I saw that you already have a master's in accounts and finance, right?
Yeah.
So what got you interested to come for another executive MBA in product leadership degree?
Like I told you, I know how management works, or like when I am doing even audit. So we mostly look into the business, how behind the numbers. We also know how the business is working because we do a walkthrough of the business and everything. But I cannot put much of inputs there because that's not my decision to be made, right? I only can give advices like consultancy. So I want to do something where I can put my knowledge and my finance background, like whatever I have learned just around like few years.
So you want to expand your scope and accelerate
Yes.
other as well.
Yeah, and also maybe transition into product.
Wonderful, wonderful. I really hope that you find the value that you're looking for.